Lindsey Patterson.
For those of you who don't know me, my name is Lindsey Patterson. I am the former City Administrator of Trinidad, Texas. I was in the position for 6 months. And I would like to speak to the taxpayers and to the council on liability. The liability costs the taxpayers, and I am a taxpayer. I stepped into the city council room in 2025 because my Fourth Amendment rights had been violated by Trinidad policy, something that I stopped the second that I stepped foot in this office. While I was in office, I spoke on transparency, accountability, spoke on liability. Right now, the city of Trinidad has some major liabilities. You have the city administrator who does not know anything about public records, open records requests. You have Marie Bannister, who was openly accused of going door to door to get somebody on the council to vote her way. Leah Melton, who took the judge's payroll into a business here. All of this creates liability. And when unlawful governance creates that liability, the taxpayers pay for it. Everybody thinks that suing the city is a great thing. It is not, because we as the taxpayers pay for it. TML insurance isn't going to pay for unlawful governance. It's just not. It's just not. Was I unlawfully terminated? I believe so. I know the law. Citizen attorney over here knows the law. Citizen attorney on March 17th asked very specific matter of fact questions that went unanswered. I would bet a year's salary that they did not actually go on record, even though they were requested to go on record. A year's salary. I still haven't seen those minutes. Liability. Liability when contractors put in their contracts that they answer to the council, not to the city administrator. What does that invite? That invites walking quorums. That invites a lack of liability or a lack of accountability to the city administrator or to the contractor or to who's responsible? Who's responsible when you have contractors answering to a city council? Liability. I think we pay enough in government fees, funds, taxes, legitimately, to continue to put people in office that are a liability and are going to cost us more money because they refuse to run lawfully, to not break very simple rules, like don't talk about city business outside of city meetings. I'm not here to litigate my case. I'm here to ask the taxpayers to consider who is on this bench right now. I am going to ask the chief to resign because I once spoke to him about having a higher character standard simply because of the title that he held. I asked him not to go down to the city cafe and just talk. I sent him emails from the city attorney laying out very clearly what was against the law. I told him that same day, I'm here to protect you. I'm here to protect the volunteers, but above everything else, I'm here to protect the city. Because in that moment, I absolutely was doing everything in my power to protect this city and its taxpayers. Clearly, I'm not reading anything. Not any AI, not any Google. I'm simply asking the taxpayers to consider who they want to put in office, who each council member they put in office, because they are the ones that carry the vote. They're the ones that hold this future in their hands, because we are not here discussing water. We are not here discussing the storm drainage. We're not discussing all of the non-compliant things that are taking place. We're here talking about a judge that has served her community, several communities, for 16 years. For 16 years, Judge Bivens served this community. Not this community, but she has served this community for 4 years. 16 years, she has served a community without any complaint.
Lindsey.
And yet, Trinidad was the one that laid claim to a complaint.
Damn.